Hey guys, it's Jackie, and I just finished my tour of 1001 South State Street, and these are my top 3 takeaways. Number 3 is the size of the amenities here. They have 2 full amenities floors, and they just go on and on and on. You're not gonna run out of space here. My number 2 takeaway is the views. So this building sits at a 37.5-degree angle. I'm not exactly sure what that means other than that it gives us great views. And my number 1 takeaway from my tour at 1001 South State Street is the technology aspect. It's just kind of something different that you don't see in a lot of residential buildings. They have an entire room dedicated to a 3D printer and kind of these high-tech crafts. So it's definitely a high-tech building with a curiosity theme. So you can be as high-tech as you want here.